Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another video. I'm your host Joe Mar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most riveting and entertaining sports discussions on the whole internet.
Yeah, so today we'll be doing our schoolboy football roundup. I can't say Manning Cup because it's more than Manning Cup.
No, but urban area.
Urban area.
Yeah, because you know, so we're up on the uptown side of things,
Yeah.
isn't it? We're in town.
Can't promise them that, you know, Reggie, can't tell them that.
Alright, better yet, we are in the urban, you know.
Alright.
We're
We're
not
urban.
No.
We're not uptown, we're urban.
We're urban.
Is that?
So we cover urban area schoolboy sports, or schoolboy football specifically.
Mm-hmm.
So today we'll be talking about two competitions, the Manning Cup, the prestigious Manning Cup, and then the what was prestigious Walker Cup, but this year I think kind of diminished, but still a very important trophy to be won. We'll be talking about those two urban area competitions. We'll be rounding up the semi-finals for both competitions and just talking about the finals for a bit.
You want to tell them the rule change for the Walker Cup first, and then we go to the Walker Cup games.
Alright, so we touched on this last video, but I'll repeat it for you guys, because you know we're loyal subscribers and fans,
Straight
supporters. But before we even go further, Rush, guys, like, subscribe and share the video, please.
Right now, do it right now. Alright, go on.
Alright, so essentially this season the Walker Cup has been changed. Normally the Walker Cup would be all the teams that advance to the knockout stages of the Manning Cup would also be pooled in the Walker Cup. However, this year the Walker Cup was changed to a format where the teams who did not qualify from their Manning Cup quarterfinal zone would have been sent to the Walker Cup, and the teams who did qualify from the Manning Cup quarterfinal zone would be eligible to play in the Champions Cup. Right? And that's a video that we'll cover on another day, guys. A complete Champions Cup review.
So that would be 4 teams in the Walker Cup, 4 teams enter the Champion Cup.
Yeah, from
so
urban
what
area.
were those 4 teams?
Alright, so the 4 teams that unfortunately I guess qualified for the Walker Cup because they would have had to be eliminated from Manning Cup were Mona High School, Kingston Technical, Excelsior and St. Catherine, all finishing not well enough to qualify for the semi-finals, right? So we're gonna talk about the competition now?
Yeah, you know, we made some predictions. We said that our favorites in the Walker Cup is Mona High. They played the first semi-final and they demolished Kingston Technical. I didn't expect a 5-love thrashing, but that's what we saw, some very good goals. Mona High is a good team and I feel like they were hard done in the Manning Cup. But I think they'll find some solace in this competition.
In the other semi-final leg, a cracking penalty shootout defeat. Catherine join with Excelsior 1-1.
Yeah, going to penalty shootout. And a very low scoring penalty shootout. Yeah, 2-1. When they say 2-1, you wonder if that was the actual game or the penalty shootout. Penalty shootouts are normally 5-4, 3-4, 7-6. Yeah, numbers like that. But yeah, St. Catherine, you know, at the edge in the penalty shootout, and they're going to the finals. So we'll be seeing a replay match of Group C in the Manning Cup.
And keep in mind, St. Catherine High also did not perform very well.
They fell off a cliff too.
Yeah. So they found a way back here. I was expecting Excelsior to succeed in this game. I really and truly was expecting Excelsior to beat Catherine. However, it didn't work out that way. And you know the dreaded penalty shootout.
Alright, so over to the big urban competition. It's the Manning Cup. So we're off to the finals now. Let's recap the semi-finals though. Jamaica College versus Charlie Smith in the first semi-final. You know, JC winning that game 3-0.
Yeah, a comprehensive performance by Jamaica College. They did exactly what they went out to do. And they walked basically right over Charlie Smith, advanced to the semi-final. The stats game, however, KC went down. You know, that was a more drama-filled game. Stats did come out to play against them, you know, and the Reed and Leng, as we spoke about before, those guys made an impact and they pushed KC for their money. But the resilience of Jamon Bartley and other KC individuals managed to reign supreme.
You know what stood out to me? KC is not used to being down. Right, the first time KC went down in schoolboy football this year, they lost the game. They went out with a whimper against Clarendon College. This was the second time Kingston College found themselves down in a game. And maybe they learned from that Clarendon College game And you know, they showed their stuff in this stats game because being down, I was worried. 50 minutes, KC was 2-1 down, and I'm saying, what is going on? But then maybe they took some lessons from that Clarendon College game the previous week, and they now know how to make a comeback.
Yeah, well, as I said, I saw guts, resilience, I saw fight, and I saw fervor from the Fortis men. And as such, they managed to book their place, flying colours, into the finals with Jamaica College.
Yeah. So, Kingston College versus Jamaica College.
So it was in the beginning, guys, so it shall be in the end. These were the two guys that were touted to reign supreme ultimately, and as the brackets would have it, they're slated to meet head on in the finals versus the Manning Cup. The battle of North Street versus Hope Road, purple versus blue.
We have people, let us know in the comment section who is going to win the Manning Cup. Kingston College, the men of North Street, or Jamaica College, the men of Hope Road.
And as I said, I have made it very clear since I wouldn't say the very first hit, because in KC's first game against Mona, I wouldn't say they were extremely convincing. But since the very second game of the Manning Cup, I had Kingston College going all the way unbeaten throughout the whole schoolboy football season. I was proven wrong in the Champions Cup, but urban area football, I think KC will continue to remain not only unbeaten, but not dropping any single point that there is to be acquired, and go on to beat Jamaica College.
Yeah, so and running up Kingston College season, you can run up Jamaica College season also. They started the Manning Cup. It started poorly. Yeah. We even kind of wrote them off in the middle of the group stages. So Jamaica College made a super comeback.
After the second game, I wrote off JC because Calabar absolutely outplayed them.
Now look at JC in the finals of the Manning Cup. Maybe the favourites to win it. On top because KC kinda start look shaky.
On top of their game, moving the ball very well. Duncan McKenzie is finally leading from the front amongst other JC players who really are showing that they do have what it takes to make a big push in this Manning Cup. Yeah. So big finals. I have KC.
I still have Kingston College. College. I feel like they're the better team.
Kingston College winning the Manning Cup, and that's how the story will crumble.
Yeah.
That's how this cookie will crumble, sorry.
Yeah, so it's been a good schoolboy football season.
For sure.
Yeah, very enjoyable one. Only 22 teams, coming from 40 odd. So 20 odd schools didn't play this Manning Cup, and I will say, Manning Cup was fun. A lot of young teams, a lot of goals scoring, a lot of beautiful goals. So a good Manning Cup season, guys. We're not rounding up the whole season just yet. But just to say, schoolboy football looks to be heading in the right direction.
For sure. Just stay tuned, guys.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to the people?
Let's round it up, man. People, stop ramping man and hit the like button, subscribe button too, and leave a comment now. Let us know. How do you feel about our videos? What can we do? What topics do you want us to cover? Let us know it all in the comment section, people. So yeah, give them the match now, man.
Alright, so guys, one last thing before I go, really quick. Each one of our subscribers get us 5 subscribers. And I'm not even asking you guys, I am telling you guys, go and go do it. You get me, I said?
Right now.
This was This or That Sports TV.
And we're out.